First, the top news headlines. House passes over Rs 21,000 crore for 32 different demands. Class 10 examination commences in Manipur at 140 centers. And Dr. Kishan, Token and Razan remembered on 11th death anniversary. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Over Rs 21,000 crore for 32 different demands were passed under the demand for supplementary grants 2019-2020 in Manipur Assembly today. Chief Minister N. Biren, who is also the leader of the House, tabled a report on Controller and Auditor General of India on socio-economic other than public sector undertaking, economic public sector undertaking, revenue and general sectors for the years ended March 31, 2018. While Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar tabled the Economic Survey Manipur 2019-2020 in the House. Opposition MLA K. Meghachandra today demanded the Manipur Assembly to present if there is an elephant project of the state government. Meghachandra also criticized the government's 13-page budget 2020-2021, terming it as the shortest and the most confusing one. Speaker Y. Khemchan tabled the 2020-21 budget estimate for discussion in the House. Three Congress MLAs from the opposition bench, K. Meghachandra, K.H. Joy Kishan and O. Suresh Kumar took part in the discussion. Meghachandra talked about tourism, social welfare works, youth affairs and sports, commerce and industries, forest, arts and culture and police department, and contended that the scanty amount allotted for these departments will not be able to bring any development. The MLA further claimed that this budget, which was presented by the Chief Minister, who is also in charge of finance in the House, does not reflect any policy for welfare of women and the educated youths of the state. Chief Minister N. Biren today told the House that so far 5,682 entrepreneurs have been registered under the government startup scheme. He was replying to a question raised by opposition MLA Suresh Kumar Okram on startup scheme during question hour in the House. Biren informed that during the year 2017, 2018 and 2018 to 2019, rupees 3,000 lakh was provided to 3,000 entrepreneurs in the state under the scheme. In another question by Congress MLA K.H. Joy Kishan, Revenue Minister T.H. Shyamkumar said that as per the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873, the government has banned buying and selling of land to non-locals. K.H. Joy Kishan further inquired about the sericulture project in the House. Responding to the query, Chief Minister Biren said that under the sericulture project, Japan has funded rupees 116.19 crore, adding that the project, which started in 1998, is now completed. However, MSP-1 JBIC project is still underway. In Manipur, a total of 38,664 students are appearing in the High School Leaving Certificate Examination HSLC 2020 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM, which commenced today. Security was tightened at 140 centers across the state. Parents and guardians were seen dropping their children at the centers for the examination in the morning. Traffic was disrupted due to the movement of large number of candidates in Imphal city. Altogether, 428 students in More are appearing in the HSLC examination 2020. Security personnel were deployed at 2 examination centers, Mori Government Higher Secondary School and St. George High School, where CCTV cameras have been installed. Volunteers of Cookie Students Organization KSO Mori were also present near the campuses of the schools to help ensure smooth conduct of the examination. In Bishnupur, 401 students of 14 schools under JEO Zone 4 Bishnupur are also appearing in the board examination 2020. At Kwakta Center under Bishnupur district, altogether 164 students are appearing in the Class 10 examination. A total of 3,721 students are giving the examination in Bishnupur district this year. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has urged the examination invigilator to execute their duties sincerely to help bring about quality education. Speaking to a press conference at DESAM office Kwakaitel, Alliance Secretary General Laisangthem Lamjingbatomtv said that DESAM and Apunba Iripak Mahiroi aims have formed 54 flying squads for the board exam that began today. The team inspected 17 examination centers, during which it was found that students of Tiny Tots Unit School were very orderly in today's examination. The team also found many individuals who were helping candidates in using unfair means at several centers. DESAM and AIMS scored 3 impersonators at Pisak Macha Vidya Mandir and another impersonator who was using mobile phone during examination. Lamjingbatomtv regretted that the invigilators failed to detect such open cheating in the examination hall.
SSLC examination hauba duguma numit ama khangni numit asida DESAM amadi AIMS ki apunba thomi yankhai mari na saba flying squad sing Manipur gi tongan ba examination center taraga tareta ekhoi chatlaga yengsin ki Wangoi Higher Secondary School dia campus ki wangmada khongban chenbagi mami khara taba ukhi DESAM amadi AIMS na haidi ba khongban chenba sing ado madu thingduna madu ekhoina chelhan khide ai ba chejat sing kayamru mamakha ekhoi phagalakhi oza sing gi maikai degi su haidi ba examination sing sa masi phajana conduct tawna bagi damakta ekhoida full cooperation atuma pibirakhi aduga hiang thangda leiba Kumari High School hariba school ase masidagi miyoi ama mobile phone season narambata sunatana mahut tharaba miyoi ama aikoina thengnabadagi madu pau piraba matungda mahak ase expel tawki ba adudi MD Nawaz Khan 40 mahaki roll number na 40947 hariba mahairo ase masi mahut tharambana maram oirakanda mahak expel tohonki.
Special Task Force of All Manipur Students Union AMSU will intensify monitoring of educational institutions across the state to bring quality education. Through a press release, AMSU also said it believes in regular teaching and learning process in every school rather than getting serious during examination time. AMSU further informed that the union will not monitor the ongoing Class 10 and 12 examination on daily basis. However, Union Special Task Force is all set to inspect the examination centers. The union sought support from everyone in its effort to bring quality education in Manipur. Mapari Ningsingkho Loop Manil today observed the 11th death anniversary of Dr. T.H. Kisan, Y. Token and A. Rajan at Mapari Ningsingkho located near Cherab Court in Uripok, Imphal. Manipur Human Rights Commission Acting Chairperson Khaide Mani, Manil Chairman Soram Tike Indrajit and All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU, President Bijoy Kaksing Tabam shared the dice at the occasion. In his speech, Manil Secretary Yumlembam Kapur said that people should not forget the works and activities carried out by social organizations in the state during the hardest of times. He also appealed to all civil society organizations in Manipur to work hand in hand for the betterment of the society. He also urged the masses to support Manil in organizing this event to remember the 3 departed souls. It may be noted that the brutal murder of Sub-Divisional Officer SDO Dr. Thingnam Kishan and his associates driver Aribam Rajan and Mandal Yumnam Token on 17th of February 2009 by the cadres of National Socialist Council of Nagalim Isakmuiba faction, NHNIM had triggered widespread protests in Manipur, which lasted 4 days. And now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, Aribam Shyam Sarma stresses on maintaining coexistence among communities.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chapan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lerek laba Nauka gi Infal Center ama hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum from the tabangam da gi awab mayok ne di bana al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi makleng sim directuna completely invisible water resistant ama rechargeable oida digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangal wala badong gi khang chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Pogoi Sangam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Welcome back. Padma Shri awardee and renowned theatre personality Aribam Shyam Sarma today stated that Manipur state, once known for its unique, rich culture and sports, has become a state seriously plagued by drug menace. He said this during the 109th What anniversary observation of Maharaj Kumar Priya held at lamjingbatomtv in Imphal. Manipur Cultural Integration Conference organized the program. Shyam Sarma also urged all ethnic groups to maintain coexistence with strong bond of love. He said when there is a strong bond of love and respect between the communities in the hills and valley, there will be development in the state. He also urged that poppy plantation be replaced with an alternative way for earning income.
Adun yarabdi conference sida kuji yawjege kariyumba amaga punyan beya khaidok na thudam labda no hatred on the kuji chakam si love da punyan dirati kuji lepa se amna aini amti bulan dirati amna hatred chile taraba ko labda ne amaga.
Manipur Commissioner of Arts and Culture M. Joy said that artists depict the day-to-day happening of the society. He was speaking at the opening function of 6th Maharaj Kumar Priya Singh Memorial Arts Exhibition at the State Gallery Palace compound. The 4-day exhibition is organized by Arts Society Manipur and Manipur Cultural Integration Conference. Maharaj Kumar Priya Singh Memorial Art Award and Honorable Manson Award were distributed to the winners at the opening event. M. Joy further expressed happiness over the increase of women exhibitioners this time. 40 exhibitioners, including 7 women, are participating in the exhibition.
Moina Kaliba Ningi Vodu, Moi Turida, Mokoi Makutsito Masana, Masak Tokna, Magi Puning Wakal Amatoina, Adumina Yekpa, Adugi Maguntai, Adana, Tung the Suyamna, Anova artist, Mayama Tula Kidney, Aduga, Gomengis Saitazu, Ecoina, artisting as a Yokat Nabagi Damokta, Equi Tonganba, Karigito Buyaba, Hivasi, Honorable Minister Gatana, Karito Sigana, Kanajagani.
A 6-day short-term course in SPSS for teachers has kick-started today at UGC Human Resource Development Center of Manipur University, Kanchipur. Mathematical and Physical Science Dean, Manipur University, K. Yugindra Singh, Punjab University Professor Suresh Kumar Sarma, UGH Human Resource Center Director, Professor L. Tomba Singh, and other distinguished personalities attended the inaugural function. The course will continue till 22nd of February. Federation of Government College Teachers Association, FEGOCTA, Manipur today expressed deep gratitude to Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam, Cabinet Minister, Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary, Finance Commissioner, Higher Education and the Director of University and Higher Education for approving the 7 UGC Pay and Regulations 2018. Through a press release, FEGOCTA also thanked the Chief Minister for giving permission to organize the seminar of transforming collegiate education in Manipur. Helping Hand for People will provide blood to Manipuri patients getting medical treatment outside the state. Talking to reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal, Helping Hand for People Secretary Premjit Moirangthem said that 3 hospitals in Manipur, namely Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences and Caesar Hospital were conferred a national award by Odisha Blood Donors Core Group. Establishing a blood donors network across the nation will help provide necessary blood requirement to patients getting treatment in other parts of India, Premjit said.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯧꯁꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯏꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯔꯁ ꯅꯦꯠꯋꯥꯔꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯁꯨꯖꯤꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯕꯔꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯕꯤꯖꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯦꯜꯄꯤꯡ ꯍꯦꯟꯁ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ नते हाबदुमा आई थमजगे.
National Register on Unemployment (NRU) for Manipur was launched today. It was organized by Indian Youth Congress to register unemployed youths in NRU. Addressing media at Congress Bhavan, Secretary of Indian Youth Congress Safira Rahman accused the BJP government in Manipur of not living up to their promises. The government has failed to provide employment to the youth, he said. Sarifa also announced that a talent hunt program titled Young India Ki Bol for the age group of 18 to 35 years will be held in every state. The selected youths will then participate in the final talent hunt to be held on March 23 in Delhi.
आज हम लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं एक ऐसे कार्यक्रम का लॉन्च करने के लिए जिसका नाम है यंग इंडिया के बोल। ये एक टैलेंट हंट सर्च है। जैसा कि आप लोग सब जानते हो कि अभी जो गवर्नमेंट है, द प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट, बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट, द रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग नथिंग रादर देन गिविंग अस जुमलास। झूठ बोलने के अलावा वो लोग कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं। ये गवर्नमेंट पावर में आई थी ये बोलते हुए कि दे विल गिव अस 2 करोड़ जॉब्स, 2 करोड़ जॉब वो हर साल में लोगों को देंगे।
Imphal West Commando Bazaar unit today conducted massive search operation at Kasturi Bridge, Nagamapal Parking, Boragali and Dharmasala under City Police Station. Around 85 individuals were verified during the operation carried out from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. 11 persons were detained at City Police Station for failing to produce valid documents. And now let's have another short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details please contact The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road. Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topar puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa moral gidamak lengsun biraksi. Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahubom Lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after a short break. Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR, Government of Manipur kicked off a 2-week short-term course on basics of news reporting at Kasturba Girls High School, Jiribam. Vice Chairman Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Jiribam District Government of Manipur, N. Bumkin Singh, In Charge Course Coordinator, DIPR, Manipur N. Vidyananda Singh, President All Jiribam Working Journalists Union, Amju Jiribam NG Bishwajit Singh, Chairman and Jiri United Committee JUC Jiribam District Mutum Maipaksana Mangang attended the opening function.
Journalism the Sintam Muriba Kango Sing Mitna Sing Lagamato Tai, Okoina, Hariba district Asida, Santi Raksa Tambada, the Ginuxi Chanana, Tambada Makogi, Jobru, Dusu, Madu Mato Tai, and a Kali, Aduga, Saruk Yagadoriba, training Asida, Hiro Sing to Makoi the journalism Carino, the news reporting Carino, Masicho Hogi, career Amawina. Makoi da knowledge sama pibagi pandam nani akoi DITR gi state institute journalism na ngasi tantara terus tantara mapan hoga kun mapan hoga.
A delegation of the Meghalaya government will meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi this week to discuss on demand to implement the Inner Line Permit ILP in the state. According to sources, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who is leading the state delegation, told reporters that he has already sought an appointment for a meeting with the Union Home Minister on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning this week. Earlier, Shah had assured the Chief Minister that he would call the meeting after the Delhi election, sources added. In a historic judgment, the Supreme Court has ordered the center to ensure that women officers are given permanent commission PC in the army, while adding that the officer will be now eligible for command posting. As per media report in its verdict on center's appeal against the Delhi High Court direction, the AC today said the permanent commission will apply to all women officers in the army in service, irrespective of their years of service. The Supreme Court also directed the center to grant permanent commission within 3 months to all women officers in army who opt for it. India yesterday rejected UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres' offer to mediate on the Kashmir issue and said the only issue to be addressed is the vacation of territories illegally occupied by Pakistan. According to a media report, Guterres made the offer to mediate while addressing a news conference in Islamabad after his meeting with Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi. He also said it is important for India and Pakistan to de-escalate military and verbally and exercise maximum restraint. One plane has landed at a U.S. Air Force Air Base in California, and its passengers will be isolated at military facilities for 14 days. There were some 400 Americans on board the Diamond Princess. The ship, with some 3,700 passengers and crew, has been in quarantine since 3 February, according to media reports. Meanwhile, China reported a total of 2,048 new cases today. Of those new cases, 1,933 were from Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak. More than 70,500 people across China have been infected by the virus. In Hubei alone, the official number of cases stands at 58,182 with 1,692 deaths. Most new cases and deaths have been reported in Wuhan. Hubei, largest city. In other developments in Japan, a public gathering to celebrate the birthday of new emperor Naruhito later this week has been cancelled due to concern over the spread of the virus. Also, organizers of the Tokyo Marathon, due to take place on March 1st, have cancelled the amateur part of the race, affecting some 38,000 runners after cases of the virus were confirmed in Tokyo. Only elite runners will be allowed to take part. And now we have sports news. The first match between FC Lamjau and WYFC Wangjing at the ongoing 13th Jiri Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2020 ended in a draw with 1 goal each today. while PYA Kairang beat UBFC by 4-1 in the second match. The tournament is organized by Old Jiribam Sports Association at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. Jiru SC will meet Amofa Moirang tomorrow. The 3-day International Paragliding Accuracy Championship successfully concluded in Mizoram's Sir Chief yesterday, with Chief Minister Jora Thamga gracing the closing ceremony as the chief guest. Jora Thamga expressed his gratitude that the sporting event, the first of its kind hosted by Mizoram, was concluded successfully. He hoped more events of similar kind will take place in the future with even greater participants, especially from the youths in the state. During the 3-day event with 23 participants, South Korea won the first prize in both men and women categories and also stood first in the team competition. 23 participants from India, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan and South Korea competed in rounds of 8. The first prize carried a case award of 2,000 euros, while second prize carried 1,500 euros and third prize 1,300 euros in both the categories. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. House passes over rupees 21,000 crore for 32 different demands. Class 10 examination commences in Manipur at 140 centers. And Dr. Kishan, Token and Rajan remembered on 11th death anniversary. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.